Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and for example it does not respond to your touches. You can try to soft reset or force restart it, and all we have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and let's keep pressing it. As you can see, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot really tap on it. So keep pressing. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got also the developer's logo. I felt the vibration, so we can release the fingers. And right now we have to simply wait until our device will be fully powered on. And from now on, it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.